You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to reset the keyboard settings on your Samsung phone to fix issues like incorrect suggestions or lag. First, open the Settings app and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Reset. Do not tap Factory Data Reset. Instead, look for and tap on Reset Settings. This option resets network settings, Bluetooth, and other system settings, but not your personal data. On the Reset Settings screen, you will see an option specifically for keyboard settings. If you do not see it, you may need to reset the keyboard app directly. Go back to Settings, tap on Apps, find and tap on your keyboard app, which is usually Samsung Keyboard or GoBoard. Tap on Storage, tap Clear Cache first. If the problem persists, tap Clear Data. A warning will appear that this will delete all personalized dictionary data and settings for the keyboard. Tap OK. Your keyboard will revert to its default state. You will need to re-enable any custom settings, like swipe typing or a different language. If you use a third-party keyboard like SwiftKey, you need to go to its own app settings to find a reset option or clear its data in the same app's menu. This process should resolve most software-related keyboard problems. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.